Hello and welcome to Luxembourg. I'm Emma Wall and I'm here today at the Morningstar Pan-European Fund Manager of the Year Awards. Let's go and meet the winners. Alice, firstly, congratulations on winning European Equity Fund Manager of the Year. The judges praised your stock selection ability and in particular your ability to identify stocks that are undervalued or wrongly valued by the market. I was going to ask, where in particular are you seeing stocks such as these at the moment?
Well, in the last few years, it's really been political risk that has driven a lot of the value opportunities in Europe. And today we've got a little bit of political risk again arising in Italy. We have quite a lot of exposure to the Italian market, and we will be looking to add to it on any weakness around the current electoral instability. France as well, we think has a huge opportunity in front of it under Macron's leadership, and again we see good value opportunities in that market as well.
Alice, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hugo, congratulations on behalf of Terry Smith for winning the Global Equity Fund Manager of the Year award. One of the things that the judges praised about Terry and his process is his commitment to long-term investing, the buy and hold, maybe even forever strategy. How do you think Terry continues to pull this off in a market which is increasingly short-termist?
I think probably because there are so many companies with such obvious paths to growth for us. So take Colgate. So we really like Colgate. Colgate has 45% of the world's toothpaste market. It has 35% of the world's toothbrush market. They've been around for well over 100 years. They started paying a dividend when Queen Victoria was on the throne in the UK. But the fact is that 2/3 of the world don't yet use their product. And so we think that is a very obvious path to growth. So we want to own Colgate for forever, basically, until that the remaining 2/3 of the world start brushing their teeth.
Hugo, thank you very much.
Not at all, thank you.
Bart, firstly, congratulations on winning Fixed Income Fund Manager of the Year. The judges praised you and the team's ability to select the countries where the best opportunities are, and also for avoiding the countries which have seen defaults, have seen disasters. How much, as a fund manager, do you think avoiding the disasters contributes to outperformance as compared to picking the winners?
It's an important component. We do not see a big default every year. If we go back, Argentina, the main one happened in 2001. Ecuador in 2008 actually had a relatively small effect. Venezuela last year could make the difference between a good or a great performance. We avoided it, and that helped our performance. But more important still was capturing the upside of the improving countries in our universe.
Bart, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Alvaro, firstly, congratulations on winning Fund Manager of the Year for multi-asset and alternative strategies. The judges praised you and the team's commitment to capital preservation. That's one of the reasons why they awarded you with this award. I wanted to ask about, in a market such as now, where we're seeing increased volatility and very toppy equity markets, how do you achieve that capital preservation?
Yeah, thank you. Well, I think you have to be prepared to go against the consensus and the grain. So that means that sometimes, in fact, most of the time, you need to sell whilst the market is going up, which is not easy, because unless you sell before the market is going up, you cannot sell when the market is coming down. But basically, we do it by raising cash when other people are not raising cash. And we sometimes, if the volatility is low, we buy protection. So that's how we do it, by raising cash and buying protection. But it's not easy because we believe in the asset class. I mean, we believe in equities, we believe in bonds at the right price. So it's a matter of looking at the valuations, and when the valuations are too high, just playing it safe.
Alvaro, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations to all that were shortlisted, and in particular to the worthy winners. This is Emma Wall for Morningstar in Luxembourg. Thank you for watching.